If you're trying to automate making your websites absolutely just beasts when it comes to SEO, well, I have you. And thank you for clicking on the video. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I'm doing this. I'm going to give you the quick rundown. I'm going to show you a bit of what goes on in the back end. And then if you want to hang out, I'll do a little deep dive close to the end, but you don't have to stick around. Everything you need to know is going to be right up front. So without further ado, let's get into it. I've uncovered the most effective automated strategy for creating websites that just rank stronger every single day. Claude Dispatch has automated runs that it can do. And with Claude Dispatch, you can link it directly to your Google Search Console through Google Admin. Now, it's really important to do that because you don't want or need to have to remember how to do this every time. Claude Dispatch, you open it up, Google Search Console, it goes into there, it collects an automated report. So it rolls, I have it rolling through everything, all of my factors, anything that's important every time. Then it adds the report to Claude Code. I take that automated report, I add it to Claude Code, then I tell it to do an update for the website, include any issues that might be happening right now, and then it adds the updates through my Hostinger API. So I literally don't have to do anything. It uses my agents, it uses my / commands, it uses automated reporting. The only thing I have to do is take this automated report and move it. Now, if you're curious how to do this, there will be just comment below that you want to use it or you want the Google Search Console agent, and I will get it to you. Now, it's really simple here. What is this? Incognito, cool. So what you're gonna do is you land here in chat. This is not where you wanna be. You wanna come over here to co-work, and under scheduled here, this is where I also have bug checks for my code that happen automatically as well, and some other stuff, but I just come into here and you can see every time it runs, it's collected up here in the top right. So I'm just gonna go to today and key findings, right? So it rolled through, it checked these two websites, rotation 16 and 0. So I guess it started at 0. So 16 is this luxury golf, Scottsdale luxury golf, new website I'm doing. A friend of mine does golf tours all throughout Scottsdale and the greater Phoenix area. If you're curious, please call him up. His name is Marcus, great guy. I'm working with him. And so now all I do here is I'm going to grab this report generated and this, I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to crack open a new page. Let's make this a little larger. Now I'm going to use my alias. Let's go. This opens me up into my external hard drive that has all these projects in it. And I'm going to say we're going to be doing some updates on Scottsdale luxury golf. Open the project and get acquainted before I share the information with you. Now this is on low effort because I don't think that the high effort stuff is really worth it unless you're doing some really crazy stuff. All of this is just plug and play. The agents know what they're doing. The / commands know what they're doing. Everything is on Rails. It just needs tokens to get pushed through. So I don't need a lot of tokens, and nor do I want to spend them. Actually, I'll have a look. I'll show you. We'll pull up usage so you can have a gander at before and after this all goes down. And I'll show you just how much can get done with low effort, like work, I guess, essentially. So right now we're at 31% used on the day, resets at 130. All right, so let's keep that in mind. Now it's done it. So it knows we did update the rental locations. We do need some professional photos and we do need a Web3 forms access key. Forms silently fail without it. Well, that's good to know. I'm going to copy and paste this and I'm just going to paste that in here. I'm going to click go and let it go. I'm going to say check the report link because there is a report link in here. This was today. Is this an old? Of course it would break right on me. Why not? Rotation, instructions. It's connected to, so if you look over here, I've connected this to Google Search Console Global and the context is here. And then the rotation check is here with its instructions. Now this is saying that it's old. I'm just going to fight back on this a little bit because weird stuff happens. Why are you fighting me? Come on, man. I was going to make a cool video. You want me to pull fresh data? I'm just going to say do it. And I don't know why this is busted, but it is a little busted. Now, because we have it connected directly, I'm just going to pull this up. Tell it to continue. Now, I don't know what the hell is going on here, but it's a little busted. So I'm going to have to figure out what this is. So I'm going to say, I'm going to take this. I'm going to come over here. I'll open up a new one and let's do some fixing up. Because why would this go smoothly first time? That's not realistic. Just going to give it a little prompt to start. It's going to say it's definitely stuck. Open old reports instead of making new ones. There we go. Now let's see how this is going. Let's check the indexing issues. Now this is just a bonus that you can get when you link your Claude Code directly to your Google Search Console. I think this is so invaluable and it's so important to have this when it comes to doing SEO for multiple clients on a regular basis. It's just something that you have to have rolling. I don't think you can take yourself seriously as an SEO today if you're not going to be doing this kind of stuff. And this is digging into it. And this is going. Now, obviously, this isn't the video that I thought I was going to be making because I was assumption that this already worked. It can't submit URLs. You can submit a sitemap. Do we have super buffed out LLMs and schema and robots text in the super of the site updated? Those are often issues that you'll run into. So let's just confirm. And I will confirm myself as well since we're here. Let's have a gander. Not what I wanted to do. Let's go Scottsdale Luxury Golf. Too many redirects. Do advertising, LLMs, sitemap terms, privacy, copyright. It looks okay. Do these. Make them happen. All right. I also need to tell it open site that said there was under too many redirects, and then it randomly a homepage that figure out where this is. Let's figure out where this is happening and why, because that was a real issue and not one that I'm happy about. Well, it doesn't happen here. There was a chain loop, deploy the updates, and then I'm also going to just fresh. Now it's going to push each of these through directly through the hostinger, which is stellar. Saves us a bunch of headache. High priority pages. So let's get these done. So you get about 10 of these a day. I'm going to request indexing. These are even included yet. This is taking a little while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab these. I should only be able to do up to 10. So I'm going to grab these. I'm going to go here. I'm just going to show it what to do. I'm going to say click here, paste the URL, click request indexing, and click dismiss. I don't know why it does. I clicked the cancel button on me a couple times for no reason. So let's turn that off. Why did it click cancel? Click request indexing. Don't need that multiple times. Click dismiss. Great. Done. Now this is a behavior. It's the behavior that I'll be able to go through. It's creating the shortcut. Oh, it can be scheduled. Create shortcut. I guess I already have one. Then I'm going to say do it with these. There you go. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to record this. I'm just going to turn it into a fast forward section so you can have a little gander at how it goes down. It does not like this. There you go. So anyways, this is all it is. Set up Google Search Console, set up analytics, link it to your Claude. It is so valuable to have it just go through this automatically, look for issues, make it happen, move on, because you don't have enough time in the day to do all this stuff for yourself. There's just no shot. So I hope that you guys are able to do this, and I hope you're able to enjoy it, because I hope you enjoyed the content. If you are part of the 98% of people who are not subscribed that enjoy this content, please hit the subscribe button. It makes my life so much easier, and it really shows me that you guys care about what's going on and what I'm doing, and that it actually brings some value. Otherwise, I feel like I'm just screaming into the void, but maybe that's healthy now and then, because you scream into the void long enough, and it'll turn around and scream back at you. So without further ado, thank you so much for your time. If you watched the end, you're an absolute legend. I love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.